Today I decided to do a solo date vlog. I might go to a museum because they're doing discounts and like free admission because we have museum week here in Fukuoka and we have a lot of really nice museums here. Right, if you guys new here, I'm Ellie. I'm a tour guide and hostess. I'm a tour guide at day and at night I do my hostess job. So today I don't have work and so I'm gonna take you guys maybe to a solo date because your girls need her own time because I'm the person who is into going to a lot of solo dates. I mean, I meet up with my friends a lot and I go out of course with my boyfriend, but I also like spending time alone, especially at home. And so yeah, I haven't given myself a proper solo date for a while now, so maybe I should do that today. I just filmed a makeup tutorial so if you guys are interested, I'm gonna link it probably down below, or maybe do an enter a screen card or something. So if you guys are interested, you can watch that. And got some dangly earrings. That's gold and silver. So today I'm gonna mix and match. I got my silver necklace. I got this as a present on my birthday. It's actually really cute because you can rotate the design from here. This is actually a necklace where you could like make it into like a bracelet or anything. This is a Japanese brand called Ritual, and they do this designs with the mizuhiki. It's like a tradition. This is the box where it was in. It's so cute, like very traditional. So it's a decorative string made out of paper and silk. Okay. Paper and silk, which has been inherited as Japanese traditional culture, expressing Japanese beauty since the 600s. The more you know. One string becomes one surface. The surface finally forms the shape, which is the moment becoming mizuhiki art. So this was a tradition that's used for festivals and ceremonies in the ancient ages. So yeah, that's why they call it the ritual. Yeah, it's really cute. They have a lot of like accessories and stuff. And my friend, she has like really good taste, and they know that I'm gonna like this one, and they got me this, and which I'm so happy. Like I also wear this on my birthday, so I'm gonna use this with my pearl sticking out. So yeah, and I got new nails again. I might have my ears pierced today because I just feel like it. And yeah, I'm gonna have it pierced maybe here. I actually bought a pierce for it that says E on this side. This is my outfit. My shoes. My new shoes. I'm gonna wear them today. These shoes are actually it's a birthday gift from boy. I know I'm like 5'4", and I know this is gonna make me look way more bigger and taller in person. I think they're gonna look good on pictures and stuff because it makes your legs longer and slimmer, and yeah, I want that. So I got these shoes with some socks on. I do want to wear like a skirt or something, but I don't have like the right skirt for this outfit, so I'm gonna wear my shorts. And I've got my Hermes belt. This is my top, asymmetrical. I love this top so much. It goes with these earrings as well, so that's why I like it. I want to show you guys my bag. Oh my god. It's so cute. Look at this. And it really looks good in my outfit, especially if you're going on a self-solo date and like you're gonna go to a museum or something. Oh my god, I look so eleganto. Eleganto じゃないちょっと. I got this from Teddy Blake. Look at how this opens. It's so luxurious. I have some stuff inside, and the lining inside is so luxurious. Is it suede or something? Oh my god, this feels so nice to touch when I like look for my stuff. I'm not really interested in buying like a lot of high-end brands. I mean, like if I had the money I would, but I'd rather buy a new laptop or a new camera than buy high brand bags. You could just have the clasp like this, and it also has the strap. I'm not gonna use it today because I want to hold it by my hands and look fancy and all. And not only is it luxurious, but I think you could also use it on your casual days. I usually use this for my hostess job when I need to pack a lot of stuff, like my clothes and makeup and all that. By its price point, I think it's pretty reasonable. And it's made of premium Italian leather. Oh my god. So other than this, they have like different designs, and if you want to find your perfect bag, I'm gonna write a link down below the description box. And I also have a code written there to get 10% off. So get your own bag. We could be matchy matchy. So I got my stuff inside, like a book, my journal. Oh my god. He actually just finished early. I don't think I'm gonna have a solo date today. But well, oh well. I'm just gonna go out with him maybe and like go enjoy the day. Yes. Bye.
Cool. Yeah, some of those will be nice.
血が出るんだよ。
どうしたらいいですか？
ちょっともうちょっと前。
あ、見えないところにしたらいいですか？So I like search for a museum that maybe I could visit, but apparently I think everything's closed at this time. It's already like 4, 5 p.m. And I don't think I'll be able to fully enjoy the museum, so I might just invite my friend next time to go there. I've been meaning to go to this matcha place, so I'm gonna try that out. I haven't had lunch yet, but yeah. So I just had the matcha. It cost around like 990 yen, $8 or something. Was it worth it? Low key, no. So I've been doing solo dates since I moved to Japan. Not gonna lie, at first it wasn't cute. I didn't know anyone, I couldn't speak the language, I didn't know what I was doing. And dating, I had no clue where to even start. I didn't know Japanese, so I just started taking myself out. Like, okay, girl, I guess it's just you and you today. Then after a really bad breakup, like the kind of makes you question your whole taste in men or women. I really leaned into it, went full main character, like cafe hopping, journaling, slow walks, shopping, reading in random spots. I was single for 4 years. Yeah, I dated sometimes, but I always made sure na ako pa rin yung priority ko. And honestly, that healed me more than any relationship ever did. And now, even though I'm in a super happy, healthy relationship, I still take myself out. I still crave those quiet moments with just me. Because no matter how loved I feel by someone else, I never want to forget how to love being with myself. So we're now going to go to DONKIIII. I ran out of mascara and some eyeliners. Yeah, maybe I'll show you around DONKIIII for a bit. And I want to do like something like retail therapy, but I think I have enough clothes for this season. I'll just like maybe check some makeup. And boy wants me to like bring home Starbucks, so that's why I didn't have coffee. Like I'm trying to not drink like I'm trying to not drink more than one cup of coffee in a day, because I I get those like gut cramps. I don't know what to call them, but I get them here and it doesn't feel really good. So I'm trying to like control my caffeine intake. I haven't had any coffee yet, so I'm gonna buy some in Starbucks back home after I do all my shit. Like maybe buy some flowers if I have time. These are the masks I'm talking about, guys. These are so good. So this is one of my favorite cleansers. And even Miju is on it. Oh my gosh! Miju! Isn't so random? Why do they have this here? This is not supposed to be in here, but this is the mascara I'm looking for. I'm so lucky I didn't have to search for it. Ready to buy some coffee and then go back home. Urusain. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I'm gonna go underground. We have this underground mall in Tianjin, and it's so convenient because you could just like ride the subway underneath. The underground mall has like six or seven or more different malls, and they're like all connected underground, and you could actually do your shopping there, you know, even if it's raining, even if like it's very hot. So yeah, it's very convenient. I'm going downstairs right now. So yeah, they got Starbucks underneath, and we have this ticket where you could you get 200 yen off your drink. So I get to drink Starbucks for only like maybe 390 yen, which is such a deal. So I'm gonna get one for me and one for Boy. The boy is at home. He's having a meeting right now, and I think he finishes at around 8:30. It's currently like around 8:10. So, like I don't think he's done yet. So I'm just gonna wait for a while here. Go back home after he's done doing his meeting. So our room, we have an open space room. And we don't really have walls around our rooms, so that's why I have to wait. Same goes for me when I'm at home and I'm doing work or something, or I'm having a meeting. He has to be outside just so like we don't bother each other or anything. But yeah, I wish we could have a new home sometime. Maybe the next year or maybe like a few years later. So yeah, but not sure yet. Like we have a lot of things to do other than that, but yeah, right now that's the situation. So I'm gonna like relax here and then maybe end this vlog now. I'm not sure. This is the underground mall. So nice. I want to do a proper tour for you guys, but like all of the shops are closing now, and end the day vlog here. Thank you so much for watching.